of Assam. That is the first phase. There will be about 12 lakh job duly sanctioned by the BJP government from Delhi to create another 12 lakh posts in various departments in Assam. That is the wisdom of the people of Assam. The BJP, Narendra Modi ji, you know, he is not like other leader who just give lip service like the word says. The Congress election के time में आइए कांग्रेस का साथ, कांग्रेस का हाथ गरीब का साथ 50 साल हो चुका है, हाँ? आइए कांग्रेस का साथ, कांग्रेस का हाथ गरीब का साथ, जीतने के बाद गरीब को ला, वो है कांग्रेस. But Narendra Modi and BJP will not do that. So I appeal to each and every one of you. Enlighten. From today you go and enlighten the people. That if you want all things to happen, we need another 7 battalion, 8 battalion, 9 battalion, or also 10 battalion. If you want this job opportunity, carry this message. Let give BJP, let government, we also will do it with a short span. Within 5 years, we also will create about 8 to 10 lakh job opportunities for our children, and we'll call back all our children who have left us in every part of India, like in line with the policy of Nagaland. We give wide publicity, call them back. Because we feel so shy, very embarrassed to stand before you, because till today we are yet to get a medical college here in Meghalaya. We are yet to get the engineering college. We are yet to get the IT college. We are yet to get veterinary hospital, veterinary college. Why? Because people, all this party during election, like Baburet, I agree with him. 2 months before the election, आप लोग घर में आके पूछ लाएगा. They will come to your house. हाँ? They will UDP आप लोगों को घर देगा, NPP आप लोग को ये देगा, कांग्रेस सब अभी ममता बनर्जी पार्टी आ गया. क्या हो रहा है बंगाल में? ममता पार्टी क्या क्या बंगाल आप लोग देखा है? वो सब गुंडा पार्टी आ रहा है. जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं यहां में सुख शांति बच के रहेगा. We'll work together, and please appeal to your friends, appeal to your relatives, go everywhere. Request them that at least if you want a future, please give a chance for the BJP. Then only we will get whatever the state, the youths, the students, the poor people require. The BJP government, Narendra Modi ji will do it.